Hello. Okay, next video.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's paint. Here we celebrate Halloween all year round, because why not? This channel has one of the biggest collections of FX makeup tutorials of all time. So, if you can dream it, then chances are I've got a tutorial for it. No makeup is too small or too big on this channel. I try to do as many different makeups as I can so that I have a nice variety of beginner makeups and some more advanced makeups if you wanted to try to challenge yourself a little bit further. So, what are you going to be for Halloween? Can't decide? Well, never mind. With a catalogue of over 400 full character makeups and growing, I've got you covered. And if I haven't done that makeup yet, then, well, I better get to work, really. I always write down every request I ever get for any makeup from all of my subscribers, that way I can try to make them a reality and please as many people as I possibly can. It also makes for a really nice diverse selection of makeup tutorials, which is pretty awesome. As you can see, I do all genres of makeup here, from cartoon silliness to the goriest horror looks. No makeup's off limits here. Each of my tutorials are finished off with a complete full costume, wigs, props, contact lenses, you name it. Because here, we always go for the full effect. The range of products that I use in my videos are incredibly vast because I can appreciate that not everyone can get hold of certain special effects makeups, so I always try and find substitutions where I can. So, are you ready for Halloween? Because we definitely are.
And there we go. That's my look officially complete.